everyone! Today we are making very yummy cake. It's a chocolate cake. It's called truffle cake. Chocolate truffle cake. It's really good. I made it before. This cake will disappear very fast. So we start with butter and cream cheese, room temperature, goes into the mixer, and we add sugar and we beat it to the white fluffy consistency. Again, I like to add sugar gradually while butter and cream cheese are beating on the starting again at a medium speed. Our mixture of butter, sugar and cream cheese is nice and fluffy. I'll show you, you can see it. Now we're adding eggs one by one on a slow speed. On a medium speed, no higher than that. Now it's lovely, it's creamy, it's beautiful. So in this recipe there is not much chocolate, so I melted again on a water bath and it's cooled down a little bit, so I'm slowly adding chocolate. I mix all my dry ingredients together really well, and now I'm gonna gradually add a little bit of dry ingredients, little bit of water, little bit of dry ingredients, little bit of water, until it's all incorporated in there. So our dough is done. I just have to mix it a little bit with my spatula to make sure that everything is mixed together very well. Alright, that's our chocolate truffle dough. It smells really nice. I've got 2 rings. I sprayed the bottom of it, both of them, with oil, and now I'm dividing my dough between these 2 rings. So it's pretty much straightforward, it's not hard at all. All I have to do is just to level my cakes and put them in the oven, 356 Fahrenheit, for about 25-30 minutes. Again, you have to see how it works in your own oven and check it with the toothpick to see if it's done. When it's dry, your cakes are done. Okay, so there are our cakes. They're done and they go into the oven, preheated oven. So when they're done, they have to cool down, and then we'll continue to make icing and to make the glaze and truffles. So I'll see you later when these guys are done and cool down. Okay, so we're making our truffle cake. So I'm going to decorate it with truffles, dark chocolate truffles. One thing, I forgot to mention that we can add some liquor in our cake. I forgot can be orange like flavored liquor, or like I have Kahlua. I wanted to add Kahlua. I forgot. So, but I am gonna add it in our truffles. So right now I melted my dark chocolate on the water bath. I melted, like I was mixing it so it's not burning. Now I'm adding very hot cream into our chocolate. Okay, when you're making, basically we're making a ganache. So when we're making a ganache, first thing you'll see that chocolate would want to separate from cream, and it's okay. Just keep mixing it slowly, and then they will go together slowly, and it will look very pretty and shiny. Just like that. See, beautiful, shiny. That's the result you want to get. And now I'm adding a little bit of Kahlua. Like I said, you can add your favorite alcohol, not wine, but any hard alcohol would work. The more aroma, the better. That's it. The base for our truffle is done. I'm transferring it in a clean plate, and this goes to fridge for a few hours. It has to become really firm so we can make truffles out of this. And I'm gonna cover it with the plastic wrap, and plastic wrap has to touch our ganache. Okay, so we continue to make our beautiful truffle cake. I just wanted to show you how beautiful it's inside. It's so like chocolatey, and the texture is beautiful. So I'll put it in, yes, and cakes weren't that high to begin with, but I still cut each cake in half. So now we have like 4 layers. So right now I'm making icing. Basically it's a ganache. I have very hot cream from microwave, and I melted chocolate on a water bath. So right now what I'm doing a ganache, I'm adding hot cream into the chocolate and mixing it until the texture is nice and glossy and creamy. And again, at this point you can add any alcohol or any flavor. I'll leave it at that because I want it to taste like chocolate, and I'm using really good chocolate. So this is done, and now I'm gonna frost our cake. So I put a little bit on each layer, and I'll just spread it on each layer, on each cake. That's done for now, and this guy goes into the fridge, and we cool the ganache, and it needs to firm up a little bit, and then we'll continue to decorate it. While our cake is cooling down in the fridge, I'm continuing with the next step. It's a glaze we're gonna put on top of our cake. So more chocolate. So this mixture I melted on a water bath together, butter and chocolate, and now I'm gonna use my blender and blend it all together. Okay, this is done. Basically it's the same ganache, only with butter, chocolate and butter. Now we wait till our cake is cooled down more, and we continue to decorate it. So I'll be pouring over the cake this chocolate and butter mixture. So while our cake is cooling down in the fridge, I'm gonna make truffles with the ganache we made a few hours before. So again, I'm using my little scoop and I'm making little balls. It's pretty simple. Okay, our truffles are ready, and now I want to make them look like snowballs, so I put them in the coconut shavings and see if it works. Okay, so I covered them with the coconut shaving, and they are going to the fridge too. I'll see you a little later. Okay, our cake all cooled down, and now I'm continuing decorating it with the glaze we made. So there it is, our homemade truffle cake is all ready, and it wasn't hard at all. Basically we used three types of ganaches to decorate this cake: ganache with cream, ganache with butter, and ganache again with cream, butter and a little bit of alcohol to make our truffles. And I'm sure it tastes amazing. We need to wait just a little bit to put it in the fridge, so to stabilize it a little bit and enjoy. I'm sure everyone will be happy to taste this cake, especially if you like good dark chocolate. Okay, I'm done, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this cake and make this cake, and I'll see you in the next video.